Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Gemini. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading. So that will follow this general reading that may clear your doubts or some kind of confusion that you have in your situation, guys. Gemini, so let's see what are these cards, guys. We have King of Earth, Hierophant, Two of Fire. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you have a lot of experience. That may be the reason people come to you asking you for your guidance, and you are someone who is really charming, attractive, and it may not be just a physical charm you have. You are someone like a magnet attracting prosperity and abundance in your situation, guys. So you feel extremely confident, talented, and you know what works well, and you are doing that action. You are manifesting your desires, working towards that, focused and really practical. And you have your in your situation, guys, destiny is aligning with luck, helping you reach your dreams and goals, and you have concrete plans for your future, and you're working towards that brighter future in your relationship. And even in your career situation, you have a roadmap towards success or towards the dreams and goals that you have, and you are moving towards that. And Gemini, I also see that maybe for some of you, you are already interested to take up some kind of spiritual practice. Maybe, guys, maybe if you are doing that, well and good, but if you are interested to take up meditation or some kind of a chant or something that gives you peace of mind and calmness, composure, you can take that up, guys, because it is going to help you a lot, help you in increasing the success, increasing the harmony and balance you have in your situation, guys, Gemini. And it is going to increase the skills and talents you have in your situation, and it is going to be for the highest good. So you will feel more confident, more inspired, peaceful, harmonious in your situation. So if you can, or if you are willing to take up some practice, you can do that, guys. Or maybe for some of you, you are already having faith in some kind of a path. It may be a religious path or some kind of a practice like meditation, and you feel great inspiration. And maybe in this love, this person is they are deeply attracted to your magnetic charm, and they find you really physically attractive, and even your nature or your character. They are greatly charmed by your appearance and your nature, guys. So this person is truly in love with you, and maybe for some of you, you are planning your future together, planning marriage or engagement. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for your general energy. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people. So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.